Hello, so today I think this is the season's greetings that's in here, so let's just start and open it up. My God, this thing is heavy. I think this is heavier than last year's beast of a box. Ooh, it's rainbow. Or that, I forget what that's called. Or my light is causing a problem. See, we got the window here. Pretty much the same on that side. And then lithograph? Is that what it's called? Everyone's had these for like forever, and I've intentionally been staying away from every single video that someone shows they have it. So I think I've done a pretty good job of not spoiling anything for myself. Oh, okay. It opens like a window. Okay, so I guess to take everything out. The packaging's very unique. So I guess I'll just start from the back and move forward. So, oh, there's a sticker sheet. How's this go? And goes like this. These are so cute. I wouldn't want to use them. Maybe I'll photocopy it at some point to like use and cut them out again. That's super cute. Okay, so we'll move on to the calendar. First I'll do the front side here, and then I'll flip it over to do this side. So we have January's Taeyeon. Ooh, I like that concept photo. I only saw, oh my God. I only saw a few of the trailer stuff, so yay, thankfully I can enjoy that one because it's, I'm kind of angry that it took until now to get it. That makes me think of something. Might have been, I think it was Jin. I saw that someone did a edit with Jin and Cyberpunk. So that might be what I'm thinking of. Well, it's everyone! Aww. I don't know if he looks like a mad scientist or a professor. Okay, did Big Hit like contact the armies making fanfics? Like this looks like it came out of one of the mafia ones. Same with Jimin's outfit. Like, did they secretly get like the mafia concept in? Hobie. Why does that make me think of Pirates of the Caribbean? December, looking very nice. In January. Anything else? No, okay. Now I'm gonna flip it over and yeah, okay. Wait, let me start at the start again. Okay, so we have Taeyeon. Ooh, that looks super nice. February. Ooh, that looks nice. So sorry if you can hear jingling in the background. One of my kitties is playing with a toy. Oh, this went sideways. No. I'm just a dork. That's really interesting. Now that looks like he's like this astronaut. Well, that's a nice photo of everyone. Now they look like they're at a disco party. Oh, more with the mafia. Okay, but it does look good. Ooh. I like that photo. It looks really nice. Whoopee! They didn't really do too much different with the posing on that one. Oh, that one looks nice. There's also a lot to take in on this photo. And the two of them. So that's the end of that. Got those two. This is... oh, it's a magnet. That. Ooh, oh. My goodness. I don't know where to start with these. I guess this side? Oh, it's made to look like a photo. That's neat. Okay, so we have Namjoon, Jin, oh my god. Okay, Taeyeon and wow. I think Big Hit was trying to kill us all with this one. So we have our usual advertisement. Wait, digital code. This is cute. I don't know if it really comes. Oh! There's the digital. Okay, so this card. It's like a credit card. So this one has, and there's a QR code you can scan to get the content on Weverse. That's really cool. I like that. Wait, did they not include a DVD in this? Like, it's only on Weverse this time? They better not have done that. Okay, anyways. Here's the photo cards. Very nice, very nice. Okay, yeah, and they just say their names on the back. Alrighty, so this... I admit, I don't even know what was supposed to be in here. I didn't look at the contents, I just bought it. It's... oh my god, it's a sticky notepad! Not that I'd ever want to use it. Or, I guess it's a memo pad. Yeah, I still wouldn't want to use it. That's so cute. Okay, what's this? Was this those little photo IDs? Oh, oh my god, we actually like get a holder for these instead of like 2020. I think we just got to chase them around in this giant package. Next up is, I have no idea what's actually supposed to be in here. Volume 7? I guess this is the 7th one? Oh, it's a planner! I'm silly. I kind of forgot that they come with planners because I don't use them. Because I'm too nervous to. I think the only one I've actually used... oh, it's got a little message. Not that I can read any of this. I think I've only used the one that came with the diary. Because I put in my own pages to use it. That's like the only one I've actually used. So we have more ways of planning out your week. This also might have been more attractive to me to use if it actually showed up at the start of the year. Is it now? Oh, we got some grid pages. I mean, to be fair enough, if you sit on a planner long enough, it does line up exactly with the date. I believe this year, any calendar from 94 or 95, I believe, lines up perfectly. Ooh, we have some nice photos back here. He's too handsome. He needs to not be so handsome. Ooh, we have some stickers. So that's the end of that. Okay, now we have this poster set. Cool. What, 1,379? I like that they did the price. Wait, let me see if I can get this to work properly if I open it up in the middle. Okay, maybe this works like this. Ooh. Oh, we went back to the movie concepts. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, this is gonna just confuse the heck out of me. Alright, so got Tay next. The okay, anyways. Mystic Strategies. Play Pianist. For some reason, I was expecting to see Sleepy Pianist. Shadow Hacker. Well, at least that would explain why I felt like it's related to cyberpunk. Mad Scientist. Okay, I guess he's supposed to be a mad scientist. Everyone. Okay, now I'm going to do the individual pages. Yeah, that one. I like how they went with like casual normal, and then like the rest of this is like not normal BTS in the slightest. Okay, and we have, is this supposed to be the photo book? I like the fake price here is $130,000 and 613. That's great. Oh, it's got an Obi. I haven't really seen that on many things aside from Japanese art books. Ooh. Maybe I should prepare myself right now for a heart attack. God, this looks so nice. I looked at this really quickly and I thought his shirt was missing for a second here, and I was like, well, aren't we getting risque? I don't know if this says 8 or fight. Or is it light? Not that I don't even know if it should mean anything. Transfer army. This part looks like a lot of fun to shoot. This one looks yummy. There's the wanted. Can I get a poster of this? Okay, they're feeding Army too much, or giving into their wants. I'm going to religiously go back to this photo book, I think. Hey, I want that D20. It's huge. Where can I get that? Oh, they did a close-up of his tattoo. Or I guess that's just everyone. Jungkook's on a motorcycle, everyone. Prepare your heart meds. Or take your heart med. Or high blood pressure. This is a really cool concept that they did. I think it was 2020 that they did some of the movie concept kind of thing. With like, Jin had like the zombie movie. And I think Namjoon had like a traveling movie. I forget the others. Special thanks to our Universe Army. Cute. So, I guess that was all that was in there. So, I think I'm a little disappointed by that actually I'm not really, like, not little. I am disappointed that this is now, like, the only way that you can watch it, because, like, that's kind of annoying if you want to watch in other places. You can't just, like, pop your DVD into your player and just watch it. So yeah, I guess my feedback to Big Hit is please give us the DVDs back. Because I don't really like this. I much prefer my physical. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I've always liked my physical stuff more, which is why I always buy physical albums and whatnot. But yeah, so that was the contents of this. Quite a bit of stuff. Definitely a lot of cool things. My biggest takeaway is I really wish that the DVD was in here. And I'm going to redeem this before I forget. But yeah, thanks for watching!